Oh my god. You guys are horrible, horrible people.
Can't we get like
No, we're supervised.
We're supervised and we're not touching them. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna jump on this part so it breaks. Hi, Honor!
Hi.
Ah!
Don't die.
Here, let's try it again. I'm getting ice!
It's the attempt that counts, truly. Oh my.
I can't.
It broke.
Tied to one somewhere. We should get a long stick and poke it. Where will we find a stick long enough?
This one will work.
Oh, what?
Okay, this time, come out where you were there.
You suck.
Don't get a long stick and poke it.
Why not?
It's too far away and I'm not gonna let you do that. You can throw the stick, yeah.
Yeah!